Welcome to Dark Sky Dive. Today, we embark on an incredible journey, witnessing a spectacular spacecraft transform from blueprints to reality. Everything begins inside a brilliant digital realm, where complex three-dimensional models rotate endlessly, mapping out every single vital structural component. Engineers carefully analyze these glowing holographic schematics, ensuring absolute precision before any physical material is ever touched in the massive factory. The digital simulation accelerates, showing a rapid time-lapse of the entire construction process, giving us a thrilling preview of the future. Now, we transition into the colossal manufacturing hangar, where giant robotic arms awaken, preparing to forge the next great cosmic vessel. Massive sheets of advanced aluminum lithium alloy are brought onto the factory floor, gleaming brightly under the intense industrial overhead lights. Precision lasers begin slicing through the thick metal sheets, creating a mesmerizing shower of golden sparks cascading across the dark room. Automated welding machines join the curved panels together, forming the foundational ring of the crew module with absolute structural integrity required. Friction stir welding technology seamlessly fuses the alloy edges, eliminating weak points and ensuring the spacecraft can withstand extreme vacuum pressures. Slowly, the bare metallic skeleton of the crew cabin takes shape, resembling a giant silver dome reflecting flashes of welding arcs. Technicians in cleanroom suits carefully inspect the newly formed seams, using ultrasonic scanners to detect any microscopic flaws in the hull. The time-lapse reveals the rapid installation of internal framing, adding crucial reinforcement ribs to the inner walls of the crew module. Miles of complex wiring harnesses are meticulously routed through the framework, acting as the central nervous system of this advanced spacecraft. Essential life support systems are bolted into place, promising breathable air and regulated temperatures for the brave astronauts venturing into space. A heavy pressure hatch is finally installed onto the module, sealing the cabin completely to begin rigorous atmospheric containment stress tests. The entire crew module is submerged into a massive water tank, verifying that no tiny leaks exist within the pressurized environment. Emerging from the successful pressure test, the pristine silver hull is dry and prepared for its most critical defensive armor installation. We now focus on the base of the spacecraft, where the vital heat shield will protect the crew during fiery re-entries. A specialized robotic arm begins applying an advanced adhesive substrate across the curved bottom surface, preparing it for the thermal tiles. Thousands of individual silica ceramic tiles are carefully placed onto the shield, fitting together perfectly like a massive, complex jigsaw puzzle. Each black tile is uniquely numbered and precisely shaped, designed to absorb and dissipate temperatures exceeding thousands of degrees during descent. The camera pans across the completed heat shield, showcasing a beautifully textured surface that stands as our ultimate barrier against plasma. Meanwhile, in another section of the vast facility, the service module is rapidly coming together in a synchronized dance of machinery. Large cylindrical propellant tanks are gently lowered into the metallic framework, ready to hold the volatile fuel needed for deep space. Complex plumbing networks of titanium tubes are welded around the tanks, rerouting highly pressurized liquid oxygen directly toward the main engine. The primary propulsion nozzle is attached to the base, a magnificent bell of shining metal designed to push humanity beyond orbit. Smaller maneuvering thrusters are bolted onto the exterior panels, providing the delicate control needed to navigate through the vacuum of space. Engineers connect the avionics computers to the propulsion systems, ensuring every single thruster responds instantly to commands from the flight deck. Now comes the installation of the power generation systems, arguably the most visually striking feature of this incredible next-generation spacecraft. Long rectangular casings containing the folded solar arrays are carefully attached to the sides of the fully assembled cylindrical service module. A dramatic deployment test begins on the factory floor, as mechanical actuators slowly push the delicate arrays out of their housings. The distinctive fan-shaped solar panels unfold gracefully, spreading out like massive metallic wings designed to capture energy from the sun. Gleaming dark photovoltaic cells cover the expanded arrays, reflecting the bright factory lights and promising limitless power for long-duration missions. Once the deployment test is successfully completed, the massive arrays are carefully folded back into their protective casings for the launch. The final phase of construction approaches as massive overhead cranes are positioned to lift the heavy crew module into the air. Suspended by thick steel cables, the crew module floats gracefully above the service module, perfectly aligning with the complex docking ring. With microscopic precision, the two massive components are slowly lowered together, mating the habitable zone with the powerful service module below. Dozens of explosive bolts and structural latches are firmly secured, permanently joining the two halves into one fully unified space vehicle. Umbilical cables are connected between the modules, allowing vital power, oxygen, and communication data to flow seamlessly throughout the entire ship. Next, the forward docking port is installed at the very top of the crew capsule, enabling future connections with space stations. Protective aerodynamic covers are bolted over the sensitive exterior equipment, ensuring the spacecraft remains perfectly streamlined during its violent atmospheric ascent. Automated painting robots glide along the smooth exterior hull, applying a brilliant white thermal coating to reflect harsh solar radiation away. Brightly colored mission decals and official agency logos are proudly stenciled onto the pristine white surface, marking its noble exploratory purpose. A team of specialized engineers conducts a final, comprehensive visual inspection of the spacecraft exterior, checking every single bolt and panel. Inside the cockpit, the futuristic digital displays suddenly illuminate, signaling that the internal computer systems have been successfully powered on today. The flight software runs through thousands of automated diagnostic checks in mere seconds, confirming that all critical flight systems are operational. Exterior navigational lights blink to life, casting rhythmic red and green glows across the dimly lit walls of the massive hangar. The time-lapse camera dramatically circles the fully assembled vessel, capturing the breathtaking scale and magnificent engineering of this modern technological marvel. We have witnessed an extraordinary transformation from simple glowing digital blueprints into a tangible, magnificent machine ready to conquer the cosmos. Every welded seam, every routed wire, and every thermal tile represents countless hours of human dedication, brilliant innovation, and absolute precision. The heavy hangar doors begin to open slowly, allowing a brilliant shaft of natural sunlight to strike the spacecraft white hull. A massive, multi-wheeled transport crawler slowly moves into position beneath the spacecraft platform, preparing for the slow journey to launch. The completed vessel is gently lifted onto the crawler, standing tall and proud as it finally leaves the sprawling manufacturing facility. Rolling out into the open air, the spacecraft creates a striking silhouette against the vibrant, fiery colors of a beautiful sunset. This incredible machine is no longer just a collection of metal and wires. It is our next great vessel of discovery, and it will soon carry brave explorers beyond the familiar safety of our home planet, venturing into the vast, unforgiving cosmic ocean. The journey from a simple concept to a flight-ready starship is a true testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As the majestic spacecraft slowly approaches the distant launch pad, we cannot help but feel a profound sense of hopeful wonder. The stars are waiting, and thanks to brilliant engineering, we are finally ready to reach out and touch them once again. Thank you for watching this incredible journey with Dark Sky Dive. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing space adventures.